Ever wondered how some people can captivate a room without uttering a single word? Imagine that power in your hands. Today, we're uncovering a simple yet transformative skill that can elevate your presence and command respect, all without changing your core self. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Imagine this scenario. You step into a room, and without even trying, all eyes are on you. You haven't made a sound, yet your presence is felt by everyone. It's not about being loud or demanding attention. It's about embodying a quiet, magnetic confidence. This isn't a trait reserved for the so-called natural leaders. It's a learned skill called the power of pause, and it's your new secret weapon. Here's a little secret. Most people struggle with conversations not because they lack interesting things to say, but because they don't know how to deliver their thoughts. They speak too quickly, they hate silence, and they over-explain, which, ironically, can repel attention rather than attract it. They're silently screaming, "Please, listen to me!" But the true masters of attention do something else entirely. They own it effortlessly. Consider the world's most influential speakers and leaders. Their power often lies in their command of silence. They don't fill every gap with noise. Instead, they pause. And in those moments of pause, magic happens. People lean in, they anticipate, and they engage. Why does this work? It's all about tension and presence. Silence creates a subtle tension that captivates listeners. It makes them hang on to the edge of their seats. And when you control the room's tension, you control the conversation and the room itself. This pause triggers our brains, which are hardwired for certainty and predictability. When you disrupt this certainty with a pause, you command attention. Now, how can you leverage the power of pause? Here's a simple guide. Step 1. Pause before responding. Next time someone asks you a question, take a brief pause, just a second or two. This not only gives you a moment to think, but also shows that you're considering your words carefully. Step 2. Slow down your speech. Don't rush. Articulate your thoughts at a pace that adds weight to your words. Step 3. Maintain eye contact during the pause. This not only boosts the impact of what you're about to say, but also strengthens your connection with the listener. Using pauses effectively can also enhance key points in your speech. Try pausing right before a significant statement. You'll notice it makes your message more impactful. Initially, embracing silence might feel awkward, but remember that discomfort is usually one-sided. Your listeners are experiencing anticipation, not awkwardness. Over time, what feels unnatural will become a powerful tool in your communication arsenal. So, here's your challenge. In your next conversation, consciously insert a 2-second pause. Observe how it changes the dynamics of the interaction. Did you notice a shift? How did others react? If you're eager to transform your communicative style, to make less mean more, and to truly step into your presence, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, true confidence isn't about saying more. It's about making every word count. Now go out there, embrace the silence, and watch the room listen.